Hello guys! FOBO has just sent me this fantastic new for 2025 FOBO Tire Lite. This is a TPMS tire pressure monitor system. Warning, don't swallow the lithium battery. And in the box you have this nice one. The valve caps for the car is marked, and also QR code. Amazingly nice. And inside this little box you have two, let me call it keys. This key is to lock the caps to the valve with these locking nuts. Yeah, you understand, it fits inside there so you can lock it. Okay, you start by removing the original tire cap, valve cap, which looks like this usually. And then we have to open this one to remove this battery blocking tab. We just screw it open. And here we go. And then, bang. This is how it looks on the inside. O-ring for waterproofness. Then we turn it back on until it stops. There we go. And then there we have it. Okay, now to the fun part, installing the app. You go to Play Store on Android and you search for FOBO Tire Lite. And what you want is the FOBO, the number in the middle one there. FOBO TPMS. I have already installed it, so I just press open. And since okay, it's a little hard to see the phone, but I have this app from before, so on my first page you will see my other car. But this is a new one, so now I press new, and you get some you have to allow the app to do something, yes and yes and yes, and okay. Okay guys, I figured it out. You need to push allow all the time. So now we are starting. I want this for my car, so I press the car icon, press next, and then I choose FOBO Tire Lite, press next, and then on the box you have a QR code inside the box. And now the app is asking for a QR code, so let's try. Ah! It found it. Name the car. Saving. Okay. Set your vehicles recommended. And then we are stuck with a blank screen. Let's see if something is happening. Oh my god! He found one. And it's also sounded an alarm. Maybe I was a little too quick. You need to install the valve caps. After you install the app, I think. But anyway, it found all my four, which looks excellent. I need to reset the system, as I set the system for my tire pressure. Okay guys, let's do a quick check of the app, what all the options, and yeah, I will take a screenshot of the phone, so I put it on the side there so we can talk about it and you can see it. To start, there is an icon on the top in the middle there, which is a screwdriver, and then you get to this setting. And here you can change the picture. Yep. And you can change the tire settings for the front and the rear. You just flip up and down here. And guys, FOBO has given me a discount code for 15% if you use IJ15 when you order it. This code is only valid for 1 week from the video release date, so yeah. If you're fast, you get this to a very nice discounted price. And you can, yeah, I don't know, I'll let the zero pressure, at zero pressure. Put on off-road mode if you, or if you're going to lower the tire pressure, then the alarm will not sound, I think it was. I recommend you to read the manual, it's very good. That was all on this page, and then you are on the main page. You can then press this to get it bigger. You can press and hold them, and you can disable sensor and swap positions and everything. And if you go back to the main screen, you can have a cogwheel. Is that cogwheel? And then you have the setting for the app. And here you can change to PSI. Yeah, you have to accept KPA and KSC. I don't know everything about this. I use mine in bar, so bar it is. You can choose between temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit. And you can choose alarm settings, different sounds. This is the default. That was that, and that is really all. If you press the support sign, you get link to the manual, FOBO website, yeah, everything you need to know really. And there also are some Instagram, Facebook and YouTube links. And you can report any issues. I think that was all in the app, really. Yeah, I can show you that there is several pages. You can have a lot of them. Oh, yeah, one more thing. It's important. If you buy one extra wall cap, you can add the spare tire. That is nice. That one I have actually on my other car. Here I have the spare tire. Nice, eh? Need new batteries. I need to change mine about once a year, so I change it every spring. I think that was all about the app. Like I said, definitely recommend you to take a look at the manual. It's very good. It's a big manual, but it's very good. Then, let's continue. Let's test it. I'm putting on the phone, and everything should be recording. I'm going outside. And I want to release the valve. And releasing the valve now. There comes the hiss. No. And there we go. Fantastic. That was quick. Okay, let's test when the phone is off. Do the same. Releasing the valve cap. Hearing a hiss. Let's see if it's going on the watch or something. Ah, it's vibrating, and here we go. Yes, everything is vibrating and making a big sound, so this is working. Fantastic. Still vibrating. Opening the app. And there, the alarm goes off when you open the app. Fantastic. Excellent with the alarm, and also for working on my watch. I find this app and the tire monitor pressuring system very nice. You FOBO guys, fantastic work.